Hey everybody, Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide, and we're going to twizzle a biscuit today. So we're using the recipe on the back of the Bakewell cream can, which is one of the best ones I know of, and all of the ingredients that are listed on the back of the can, including the shortening, I mix all together before a canoe trip, cut the shortening all into the flour, and I just put it in a Ziploc bag. It's stable for weeks. So I'm going to tilt the camera down so you can see what I'm doing with my hands. So here's all the ingredients inside the Ziploc bag, and we're just going to, a twizzle is usually a little stick, but I'm just going to use a fork. So we're just going to make a well in the bottom of the flour, in the mix here, and I don't know if you can see that, but you're just going to make a little well, but don't dig so deep down in the center that you can see the bag, the bottom of the Ziploc bag, because that's not good. Then we're just going to take a little bit of milk, pour it to the center. I've always just used powdered milk whenever I've baked or anything. Then we're just gonna start doing this. This is the twizzle part. So we're just gonna see how it starts all coming together like that inside the bag. And this way, if you're not making a whole batch and you only need to make like 3 or 4 because you're not doing it for a dozen people. If you're doing it for a dozen people, just do it in a mixing bowl. But if it's just you and 2 other people and you're only 3 people and you don't want to dirty all that, and this also makes it so you don't have to break up the recipe. So then we're just going to plop it in the pan. Biscuit dough is the nicest when you handle it the least. So then I'm just going to, okay, here it is in the pan. So there it is, and you can make them individually, bake that. So one of the most powerful things on a canoe trip is to be able to produce your own bread. And this is a fantastic, easy way to do it. And so yeah, there's 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide.